Meaning of dyslexic.
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 Dyslexic. Dyslexia is a neurological condition that affects a person's ability to read, write, and spell. People with dyslexia may have difficulty recognizing words, letters, and numbers, and may struggle with reading comprehension. This can lead to frustration, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Dyslexia does not affect intelligence, and with the right support and accommodations, individuals with dyslexia can succeed academically and professionally. However, it is important to identify and diagnose dyslexia early in order to provide effective interventions and support for those who need it.